Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this logo, and he did a really good job of emphasizing what he needed corrected, and emailed me, and so we're going to take his little circles away. And this isn't going to help too many people, but just in case you run in that scenario, and for him, I'm going to cursor all this stuff down, and as you can see, there's a hairline there that might cause you problems or might not. I don't know what if you're cutting it out. But what he wants to do is get this corner to be a sharp corner like this one. And I don't really know why Corel does that, but I've already broken it apart. So I've got this individual letter or part of the letter here. And I'm going to go to my pen tool. I'm going to make it a hairline just for first, just to kind of double check and look at it. And as a hairline, it looks good. But this angle is evidently too sharp for Corel to do. So what you're going to want to do is change this back to black. I was just checking to make sure there wasn't some extra nodes. It was 8 points. We want to make sure that the position is in the middle position. We want to make sure the corners are squared, but right here at this 45, just put 0. And there you go. So you could do the same thing on the other two. I don't know why. I mean, this looks really, really good for the K. So I think this one's supposed to be like that. So it's just these 3 more. But that 45 is giving Corel Draw a limitation, and it's the angle's just too tight for it to turn with that one node. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.